Rowan, next day with you. Let's go to stock picks. Grindrod.
Yeah, so it's been a bit volatile of late. The riots in Mozambique weighed heavily on the share price and also, I guess, did impact their volumes in the last quarter. We have seen the key commodities, coal, also soften in price, which has sort of, I guess, clouded the outlook. But we like the medium-term prospects. The Mozambique terminal is still a fantastic asset. They increased their exposure there. They're getting more involved in public-private partnerships with Transnet and in Richards Bay. So I think there's a good runway of opportunity there. And I think the outlook for bulk commodity demand is still reasonable. So they're also dealing with some of their legacy assets and may have not realized full value for the marine fuels and the land parcels, but they've monetized those, created the cash, and now they can move forward with their core business, and I think there's good growth there. So valuation also quite attractive. So overall, some of the parts, it looks appealing to us.
Yeah, and by our reports, chatting with Afrimat, you've got Nkomati, and they go through Maputo. It seems that level of normality has returned to Mozambique. Devin, Anta Sports, if I've pronounced it half correct.
That's it. This is one of the world's biggest sportswear retailers that no one's heard of. And
me too.
It's actually the third largest manufacturer and retailer behind Nike and Adidas. And to give you an extent of the size of it, it's 23% of the Chinese sportswear market. I mean, in an emerging middle-class space, that's just massive. It's got brands like Salomon, Wilson, Fila. Those are the ones that we would know. But what they've done well is their e-commerce platform has been really good as opposed to someone like a Nike. Great margins there and a 12,000 store footprint on the ground. So that combination works really well. No debt on the balance sheets and to our mind, a pretty eloquent way to capture what we think is the recovery of the Chinese consumer.
Okay, and there's an enter in Morris Arch. I did not know that. We'll give it a look. But that's where we leave things for today. Thanks to our guests, Rowan Williams from Nitrogen Fund Managers, going with Grindrod. Devin Shutte from the Robert Group, going with Anta Sports. Up next, the close. Stay watching.